Kucoin engineers. Today we are with another video, and this video will be all about StepApp. I know you're wondering what's going on with StepApp, and now hereby I am going to answer all the questions in your mind. Before we jump into our video, to be able to have more contents related to StepApp, please subscribe to our channel and start watching this playlist. This will help you a lot. And plus, I bet no one else on YouTube has recorded many videos related to StepApp. As you know, we are giving you all the details related to StepApp in our videos. Okay, and let's jump into our staking part. Let's check it. What we have, and now I have 101 DT, and my second snapshot was taken, but unfortunately I couldn't win. This was my second time. Hopefully I will be able to have in our third chance. And we only have 3 days and 18 hours to go, and after that I will unlock my tokens. Maybe I will not unlock my tokens. I will give you the details right in the video. And let's check the price. The price is like 6 cents, very affordable actually, and also the market cap is only 24 million USD. Wow. And let's check our all-time high. Okay, we were here, guys. We were here. We started creating videos right from here when it was 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents. You see how huge it went up, like to 60 cents. It made 2x. So if you had put like $1,000, it would have been $2,000. That's much profitable money. Okay, so now let's talk about our things related to our video. Today, guys, we are going to talk about yield options in StepApp. Okay, I have almost 1k FitFi and I will stake them all in ecosystem for 12 months. And there's a reason why I want to stake for 12 months. First, it's bear market. What would I do with this money? Nothing. So I will stake it. I will be in ecosystem and I will be rewarded by taxes and the other details. Okay, I'm a bit unpassionate about this one, but let's jump into it. You saw that, right? You saw that. Now there was an ape logo right on the video. You see that one? We saw Untold Festival logo here, and later that, after a while, they told that they will be partnering with Untold Festival. So keep in mind, this can be second one, because when we have Bored Ape Yacht Club on marketplace, we will be having huge ETH, Solana, and different cryptocurrency on the marketplace. We will create some liquidity. This is what I mean. And I will give you 3 staking yields, which StepApp presents to dear stakers. Let's dive into each detail all together. First one, staking yield with 0 token inflation. Okay. Second phase of perpetual staking incentivize live soon, and perpetual stakers access every ecosystem opportunity. Keep in mind. And also source of yields. Okay. Staking is a powerhouse for every blockchain project. When people stake, they create liquidity for projects. And what if you stake and later that you decided to unstake your tokens? What happens? Let me tell you. If you do instant unlock, this will cost you like 16% of your assets. If you have like 1000 assets, like 160 of FitFi will be taxed by StepApp. So what will happen to this amount of FitFi? They will directly go to the pools and the stakers will be rewarded with this money. Is there any chance to not get stuck on that unlock cost? Yes. For example, you like to unstake and you have to wait for like 14 days or 13 days and stuff like that. But if you don't obey that rule, unfortunately, you will have to pay the fee. And okay, so what happens to long-term stakers? Okay, we've talked about it. If you don't want to stake for more, if you want to quit it now, you will pay your fee and you will quit. Long-term stakers earn from flippers, guys. Okay, and also I didn't talk about the tax parts coming from the ecosystem. And also we will have staking tires. Okay, StepApp intends to empower long-term stakers, guys. Yield is split in tires. 30% of tax goes divided to all stakers. Bonus 20% divided among 3-month stakers. Bonus 25% divided among 6-month stakers. Bonus 25% divided among 12-month stakers. Keep in mind, plus you will have your sleepers if you stake for 12 months. And this is vital. Listen up carefully. If 100 people stay till 12 months, they could earn the same amount as 65,000 people who stay short term. Okay, this is crucial. This is very dangerous one. So be smart, make your plan. We have time. We have a long way to go. Keep this in mind. And no locks, by the way, simply willingness to remain staked voluntarily. And also, what about the future yield phases? Like, can we get benefit from these ones? Yeah. Roadmap opens more yield, guys. Blockchain validation and tax fees, NFT ecosystem yields, every other product in ecosystem. And also stakers will get rewarded with transactions occurred in marketplace. And that's pretty much of our video, guys. Hopefully you feel somehow hopeful for your future in StepUp. Hopefully I was able to enlighten your horizon related to StepUp. Okay guys, I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.